Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. If you didn't see the oil change video, I will link it down below for the 26, I guess, and even 25 Ram Cummins diesel. Show you what I used, how I used, and everything like that. But there's one more step to your process. Make sure if you're doing it yourself, make sure you keep your receipts, obviously the correct brand of oil and the filter that you used, and write down the date and time. Wouldn't hurt if you had some way to add your watch in there with the actual date or something to that effect. But inside the vehicle, there is the oil life monitor. We're gonna go ahead and reset that. Before we get started, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, helps the small channel out, thumbs up, notification bell. And keeping in mind, guys, this oil life monitor is not keeping track of your viscosity. It's keeping track of a certain set of miles that they've already pre-programmed in here to have you redo it. So first things first, get in your vehicle. You're gonna use these buttons right here to find the little truck icon. Once you get there, you need to scroll over to your oil life, and then all you have to do is push and hold OK. We'll push and hold this. So it says that right here, you don't want it running. The old one used to be able to do it, so we're going to turn it on here. So it's going to do its little beeping and tones here. Now we can go ahead and scroll back over here to oil life. And we're going to hit hold OK to reset. Once it goes to 100, guys, that's it. Again, make sure you write down your miles so that way you know. If you want to do your fuel filter at the exact same time you do your oil, a little bit overboard, because I've seen a lot of filters come out of these at 10,000 miles that look really good. So unless you're having some type of issue with bad diesel or water in the fuel, then maybe you want to change them often. But we're going to run these out till 10,000. I don't care what the life monitor says if there's more life in them. But we'll do that, but you'll do that the exact same way. You find a little truck icon, you scroll over, you go to it, you hold and reset. Again, you don't want the engine running. And that's how you're going to reset your oil life monitor. Again, write down your miles in your book, guys. And as always, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.